Visualize financial distributions, outliers, and core tendencies with box and whisker charts. Here we have sales organized over quarter and drilled down by month. In this example, we'll compare sales across each quarter. Start by highlighting your data. We're going to ignore the month column, as this will distribute the data by month across the x-axis. Go to the Insert tab, and in the Chart section, select the Statistical Chart and then Box and Whisker. A box plot displays 5 key statistical values: the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. Excel automatically calculates quartiles and outliers, saving time and reducing errors. Let's customize our chart layout with the Add Chart Elements tab in our toolbar. We'll start with a legend. Next, add access titles. Now, let's edit our title. Modify your chart labels for clarity and format them to fit your design or theme. You can also add data labels to any series of your chart. Right-click on the series and select Add Data Labels. Select your labels, right-click, and choose Format Data Labels. Use the panel on the right to make label, spacing, and text changes. Select the boxes to modify colors. Select the chart area and use the Format panel to customize backgrounds, borders, and grid lines. And there you have it, a box and whisker chart that visualizes the nuanced landscape of your financial data.